A smart investor knows growth isn't just about earning more, but investing more. If your income grows but SIP stays the same, you're missing a big opportunity. Let's look at this simple calculation. Rahul and Ashish both started SIP of 5,000 rupees per month in mutual funds for 25 years. Rahul kept his SIP fixed. Ashish increased the SIP by 1,000 rupees every year. Total investment of Rahul rupees 15 lakh. Total investment of Ashish rupees 51 lakh. Estimated corpus till date, Rahul fixed SIP 93.94 lakh rupees. Ashish SIP top up rupees 2.17 crore. Difference is huge, 1.23 crore rupees. This is top up SIP. It means auto increasing your regular SIP every year. An increase in SIP investment with an increase in income can boost your wealth building journey. So contact your mutual fund distributor and start a top-up SIP today.